I'm ready. I'm totally.
Alright, so we are, oh, we haven't even said anything yet. Well, whatever, if I need to make an intro later, I can make an intro later. Okay. I'm here with Jadon, and we are outside the grocery store. We're about to go in and grab some snacks. Pretty much whatever we want. And film a little mukbang for you guys. And feel a little lit. And talk a little bit. And it's 2019 now, so talk about our New Year's resolutions, blah blah blah, whatever.
Tea.
But if you want to be healthy, we can get like
no, like I already skipped the gym today.
Platter.
Like just might as well all the way.
Fuck yeah. Let's just go live in the grocery store instead.
Okay.
We'll go live in the grocery store to help decide what we should get.
We can put that footage in here, yeah. Like edit it in there somewhere.
Yeah, probably.
If you edit, we'll do a nice stand. I'll pay for a nice stand somewhere.
Oh my gosh, you do not even have to do that.
No,
I do
love
this
it.
for fun though.
I do it for fun too. Let me spend my money, honey.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, let's get this motherfucking show on the road. No, but seriously, going live is a good idea because people can talk to us and help us.
I look like y'all saying that. Okay, wait, I'm not gonna hype you up like that.
I don't.
I
like
love
you
that. No, you look like. You look. That's it. That's the tweet.
I love that picture with Jadon and I.
I haven't seen him in a long time.
He's big. He has an Xbox now.
Oh, and he plays Fortnite, huh?
Mm-hmm. Oh, baby.
You used to take him to that little playpen in the mall, remember?
Yes. Oh my god, with his ponytail.
Yeah,
and
his
how he
long
ran.
hair. Yes. Oh, those
his mega mind. Oh my god.
How old is he now? 6?
Yeah, he's gonna be 7 in February.
He's like gonna be a first grader soon. Is he already a first grader?
Yeah, he's gonna be a 2nd grader. 2nd grade was my best year.
Yeah.
When I got a boyfriend.
Oh, that's why you would consider it your best year?
No, but
Tea has been spilled.
That's not why I consider it my best year. However, that's just another fact on top of that being my best year. Like, it was my favorite teacher of all time. I was like, my mom was a teacher,
TA.
Yeah. So like, she was always at like parties, so that was so much fun. The class was awesome. It was just great. We were like right by the playground. Like that 2nd grade was just, 1st grade was like, ugh, I hated that bitch. Her name was Miss Purdue. And all I remember about her was that her husband was tall enough to put his ear on the ceiling. No, I swear to God. That's like my very first, like, I'm like, Miss Purdue, her husband can put his ear on the ceiling.
But anyways, we played hide and seek up in my little house, and that girl, that 30-year-old ma'am, was up in my closet, crouched in a corner, and I just remember me finding her in the closet.
Oh my god, that's terrible.
That's what I remember about Miss Van Aslan. I have Miss Farneth. She was like 7 years old. I wonder if she's still alive. Sis was pretty old. She was grumpy, but she loved me. Wait, is that offensive? Wait, you gotta take a hit, girl. Come the hell on. Of the tobacco.
Yes.
Get the job done, sister. You know I gotta inspect. She'd be out here faking. Oh, very good. Does it taste like banana or bird at this point?
What?
Brooklyn!
Look at all these parking spots that open up. Should we move?
Should we move? Okay. Because it's cold. Should we
move the car closer? It's cold.
Wait.
No.
I can't.
No.
Don't talk about it.
No, we need to be in the most convenient place to put a cart away.
Oh, we're getting a cart. Okay. She's going on that.
No, I think we're fine, like right here.
Oh yeah, so. Okay. Dude, wait! As soon as the car moved, and she said, okay, no, we're okay here. You are too tobaccoed out. I think we're actually right here. right here.
Right now, this ain't nothing but Jesus. Right now, and then look, I was gonna mention this to you earlier. So, last time Jadon and I had hung out, we went out to eat and we were like, oh, maybe we should like hold off and not do as much as we're doing. And we're like, fuck it, let's just do it. Like I get a discount, right? And then so we did say fuck it, and the total ended up being way cheaper than what we thought it was gonna be. And then so same instance right now, we're like shopping and we're like looking at the cart like, ugh, this is a lot of stuff. Like we're overdoing it a little bit. And then we close out and Jadon goes, put in your thing, my alternate ID. I put in the alternate ID and then it takes off like the membership, whatever amount. And then it starts taking off 15 and 10% off of every item, like just repeatedly.
It's Senior Wednesday.
Yeah.
At Fry's.
So I got a senior discount, and he was like, what did you put in, your birthday? And I was like, no, I put in, this has been my telephone number since I was in elementary school, like my home telephone number. The same number my whole life.
You need to tell your mom. We gotta tell them what we got. We got, really quick, this salt and lime Lucas.
And we got the chamoy Lucas too, which I also like to eat over ice.
No, they're both very good. I used to eat it at Skate Country.
I've had that one over ice. I haven't had the salt one though.
Oh, it's fun.
But we're going into Circle K to get some crushed ice right now.
So be back.
All right, everybody. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. So this is my friend Jadon.
Hi, guys.
We have been wanting to film a mukbang for so long, and I feel like we're so happy that we're finally doing it. Like now that this is like here, I feel like this is like the real deal. It's about to happen. Like we're doing it. Okay, so we're gonna run through what we got real quick. We're gonna go through what he's doing first because I know we're gonna have most questions about this. We got a cup. We each got our own cup of ice. This big old thing of crushed ice. You want to show them the crushed ice?
Yeah.
It's crushed ice, okay?
Just
so
take our word
y'all know, it's crushed ice.
Okay.
And we also got these chili candies. And we're gonna put that over ice. It's gonna be so fucking good. I should have got us spoons.
I got a fork.
I know, but it would have been so much better with a spoon.
Go get it.
I will. I'm gonna text my sister. Oh, I'm loving that. I'm loving that. So, we're gonna also show you what we got. Come on! Can you wait a second?
Okay.
Let's show them what, run through what we got. Help me out, okay?
Fine. Okay.
We got these sweet tarts. We got these, what are these? Very, very crawlers.
In Mexico, these are just called chips. We got chicken.
A Caesar salad.
Chicken Caesar salad because we started feeling
out
a little guilty towards the end of the trip.
Also got strawberries.
These are Brooklyn's strawberries, and she's gonna eat them with
this fruit platter, which also has this cream cheese dip that I'm in love with. It's by Little House. And then we also got 2 of these salami and cheese packets because him and I both love them. And then we got these like fancier chocolate bars, which honestly I'm probably not even gonna break into these like right now.
Like at the end.
I'm a bite. I'm gonna definitely try it.
Yeah.
But I'm not gonna like, there's other things I'm really gonna like take out.
Go in on.
Yeah. One is milk chocolate bar with M&Ms and crisp rice. This isn't even mint.
No, it said crispy mint. Look. Up top.
Crisp.
Don't freaking do that. I was sad.
I was like, it's not even. No, I didn't think it was.
I didn't for a minute either. That's why I was sad. I was searching that shit.
And then milk chocolate bar with minis and peanuts. And then got baby goldfish. We went live and didn't nobody help.
Okay.
Then we got hot Funyuns.
We got these Snyder's pretzel pieces, hot buffalo wing flavor. They're like very wet and like good.
I honestly haven't even had these. I just picked them up.
You haven't had them before?
Maybe I have. His pickles. Oh my god.
If you know, you know. I swear you know. Clausen kosher dill pickles.
Never had them.
You're gonna.
Never had them, and then he also said that this slice is better because it soaks up my juice. I'm excited. And then hot fries, Cheez-It snack mix. This is pretty good.
The garlic.
And then we got 2 different kinds of Oreos, double stuffed and then regular, and then lemon poppy seed.
Y'all can guess whose is whose Oreo.
Guess whose is whose? Double stuffed, regular stuffed.
I'm sick. How are they gonna know that?
No. Go ahead and guess. Just go ahead and guess. We also got these drinks. I got Calypso Southern Peach Lemonade. Oh.
Okay.
Whoa.
It wasn't that serious, but I'm sorry.
No, really, it hurt a little.
Okay, well, sorry.
There was 2 for deal.
That's why you see 2 of everything.
We did already mention the
senior discount.
Yeah, did we talk about? No, I didn't tell you about Circle K's. I was like, what else could possibly happen after the senior discount? Like, we're just going to get ice and that's it. So we went in to get ice, and then I also saw Hot Funyuns, so we went to go pay, and she was like, just ice? And we were like, yeah, and she said, don't worry about it. And she only charged us for the Funyuns.
And usually Circle K workers be charging you for everything, so.
Yeah, and we got extra larges at that.
Yeah. Very grateful for the lady at Circle K.
Yeah.
Shout out to you. Shout out to your phone number. Shout out to Senior Wednesday.
Yeah, that was crazy. I was like, why have I not known about this before? But that's because I've never gone shopping on
the first Wednesday of every month.
Senior Wednesday.
Well, now you
I'm about to do one with the red.
You have to go to self-checkout though.
Why? Or else they're gonna know I'm not a senior?
Exactly. They'd be asking for your ID.
Fuck them. Seriously.
Oh,
Fuck
we
that.
have.
Oh yeah, I have it in my hair. Sorry.
Oh,
The powder be getting on my nose and shit. Whoa.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna just dump this in there.
Looks like snow. I want to watch Monsters Inc.
Like it snowed today.
It did. It snowed today.
Okay, I want to try yours. You're wait.
What? Wait for what? Flavor, huh?
Yeah, I'm getting red next time. Wait, I haven't tried it with all this on. It's better. Ooh. So I got the lemon, and she got the red chili.
I thought he was telling me something. I was like, what else?
I wish we could just tap it so it would focus. Oh well.
I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just keep it real with you. I'm not gonna do that.
I'm not gonna do that. Girl. How do you feel? That's still better.
I love it. Yours? I like mine better though.
Those are wet. They're really wet. That's how I can describe them.
These are the buffalo, well, the Snyder's hot buffalo wings. Pretzel pizza.
Pretzel. They're good.
I believe it. I know they are. Very satisfying.
Yep. This flavor though. Oh my.
I know. Sneeze that way, please. Jada.
I'm not gonna sneeze.
I'm just making sure.
Okay. I heard you. In case you didn't know, she's mom.
Oh my god, totally. It's 2019. Sorry, we're like, need to get the eat out for a second. Yeah, let us.
So good. Put some of the lime in it. It really spices it up. Wait, what's funny?
You're like, no, but try like my idea too.
Be careful. Oh my god, sis. Why are you stabbing it like that? I'm actually a little scared.
Wait. Okay, then how?
Wait, you just get in there. Down the sides first. Yeah, like do the middle first. Yeah, push. Push. Yes, sis. This is gonna be the hospital room in like 3 years.
I know, I can't wait.
I'm shook.
Jadon.
Wait, there's literally like puncture wounds on Brooklyn. I wish you guys could see it. I can't.
Dude, this with pickle juice?
The lime?
No, all of this with pickle juice and ice.
I'm shook. The saltiness jumped
Fuck.
Yeah. They're crunchy.
I like the crunch of these better because the crunch of the ones I'm thinking of, which is what, dill?
These are kosher dough.
Oh wait, then it's not dill. What's the brand I'm thinking of with the blue lid and the
Blazen. Blazen. It's with the V. Vlasic.
So then, those pickles, when you bite into them, they squeak against your teeth. They're like, in an irritating manner. These feel a lot more natural.
They're just good.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
Listen, she don't be eating anything quick. I think this pickle is the quickest thing I've ever seen you eat on everything.
Cause it's light. No, it's good. It's really good. It's light. Whoa. Whoa, watch this.
Do it. These pickles are so good.
That was amazing.
Alright, that's my chili sauce.
You're stuck.
I like don't even know when I'm gonna touch that salad. I need to at some point.
I'm about to touch it, if you don't mind. So this is Take Along Snack, Boar's Head brand, which Boar's Head is a really good brand, and it's Genoa salami with picante provolone cheese, non-smoked. Ooh.
That cheese smells like fucking feet.
I love cheese.
Me too. What is?
Tastes kind of like feet. Try it by itself.
I can't, because it tastes too much like feet. I have to have the salami with that. Did you go out on New Year's?
Did you?
Mm-mm.
No. Did it go out?
I wanted to, but I heard it. Converse was $40. Like,
It was fucking cold as shit.
it was. It snowed that night.
Which is beautiful.
I know. Imagine being drunk walking up the snow. You feel like you're like in Mongolia.
He loves that.
I went to Julio's house. No, his nana's. And we hung out with his tias. And we did a puzzle. It was actually pretty fun. And we ate pozole. And Mexican hot chocolate. And it was snowing.
Were you there at midnight?
Yes. And then I went home. And then I get up for work in the morning. For them
Just
to
to
send
go
me
home.
Yeah.
You
that
should have
was
just
my
partied
news.
anyway.
That's, you know, neither here nor there. I wasn't about to pay. What did I tell you?
Work. Getting off early. That's neither here nor there.
No, but it was something cool.
Huh? You don't want one?
I do. I'm gonna eat these over the floor.
Huh?
Because they're gonna crunch. Oh. The amount the clubs were charging. Congress is charging $40.
Stayed home with my pets. And it felt great not bringing in the New Year groggy. And not bringing it in like
Drunk as shit.
drunk, like people want to bring it in with a bang, but like, okay, that's for what, the first 2 hours, and then you're gonna go to sleep and wake up and fucking hate yourself. And which I'm not like putting anybody, I'm not saying don't fucking party, I'm just saying like
where's the logic?
I was appreciative and I wasn't like upset that I didn't feel like I was missing out. I was appreciative on my end, my spectrum of things. You might pass me the scissors, please?
These are really handy to have right here. You have everything in just the right place.
Yeah, it's weird. I don't mean to, but you know what? That's one thing that I was just thinking today is that, and I want to like figure out like the best way to, but like one thing that I do with like setting up my room is I want it to be as functional as possible for me. That's what I've just decided on. Like, just as functional as possible for me. So like these scissors sitting right there, how many times have you grabbed them? Right. You know what I'm saying? Like I keep my earrings right there by my door because I always put them on before I go.
Walk out, you know.
Just like simple things like that. And I'm rearranging my room. So like I did try to have the whole bed in the center thing, and that's not really like, I don't know, I'm not saying it's not working for me, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit.
Put it against the wall. Yeah,
I want more space, and I want more of a workspace. So I'm gonna put it against the wall, but I kind of went for this like temporary, like normal setup, and it's not functional for me.
I know, I moved my room around a little bit too, but you have like a pretty nice sized room where like you can move stuff around and make it feel different.
Yeah, and I don't have a closet, so it super helps.
Oh yeah.
Can you pass me a napkin, please?
A neck.
Please. They're all, I didn't separate them, I should have. Jadon is stuck on the ice. He hasn't eaten anything else. I'm the only person that's, oh.
God, coming for my throat.
So, what's your New Year's resolution?
New Year's resolution. I actually haven't really thought of a lot. Just because I feel like it's stupid to have a New Year's resolution.
Well, I didn't have one last year. I'll say that.
how that turned out.
I've just made some changes. I'm going to the gym.
Yeah.
Trying to eat.
How?
I'm not even. Okay.
Did you eat your pen?
I did.
Whatever.
I did.
Run the clip back.
Do it.
Run it back.
You're gonna edit it. Why would I lie?
Oh, so confident. Alright. I'm not even tripping. I've been looking at these muffins because I specifically told myself, I'll open them in the morning. What the heck? No way. Why would I do that when I'm looking at them right now?
You're so excited.
I know. First of all, these sugar crystals are it. These are lemon poppy seed muffins, topped with coarse sugar. I live for it.
It's good. You tried it. You ate it.
Yeah, I love these. One piece. But Jadon doesn't want me to say he's stuck. Oh, he puts it down.
Like, leave me alone.
I know. I'm sorry, dude.
Alright.
Open your double stuffed Oreos.
Like, right now? I was open the fries. I'm not even to the dessert part of my meal yet.
Okay.
I still want to eat the rest of my sister. Ask her if she's okay.
Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. Stupid. Would you have done that at your house?
Yes.
Oh.
Or everybody at my house. Heaven. Oh my god, you know my cousin Evan.
Mm-hmm.
With grumpy pants. She literally, if like something falls in the shower while she's in the shower, or like we hear a big bang, we'll just like be watching TV and all of a sudden we hear, I'm okay!
Mm-hmm.
Like she'll scream it because, you know, my grandma will go knock anyway and be like, are you okay in there? I don't know what she's watched, but like I think she like thinks she falls and hits her head and then like can't talk, you know. So she just wants to hear like she's okay.
Yeah, grandmas, they be thinking right though.
They do.
Because I don't.
No, me neither.
I was wondering why the shower was running for so long.
I was like, damn, who paid the water bill?
Whose month is it? Not mine.
Clearly not mine.
Shit. So bad. Do poppy seeds make you high?
What?
I heard.
Oh, no.
Some seeds, I'm pretty sure it's poppy. Alexa, do poppy seeds make you high? Do poppy seeds make you high?
I don't know that.
Well, shit.
Like, what are you good for, Alexa?
Jeez.
What's your name?
My name is Alexa.
You idiot. You want to see a list of things to ask her?
Do something cool, yeah.
Alexa, what's your favorite game?
I like hide and seek, although I'm terrible at hiding. I always answer when someone calls my name.
She snapped.
Tell me a joke.
Actually, my friend Jimmy Fallon wants to tell a joke. Let's give him a shot.
What did the horse say to the scarecrow? Hey.
So what do you think? Should I let Jimmy tell the jokes for a while?
Yes.
Okay, Jimmy'll tell the jokes for a while. But remember, if you ever miss me, just say, I miss your jokes.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'll remember that.
Alright, we snapped.
Yeah. Okay. Hey.
Oh, that's Dip.
Hmm?
How's the dip?
Good. I love it.
You want everything but this cheese.
How is it?
Salami in here.
Yes, it'll work.
On to the salad. Here you go again.
What?
Stabbing shit.
That's the sound of my mom.
Is she yelling at someone?
Who didn't keep their movie ticket?
What's your movie ticket? She be
She's
going
smart.
there.
My mom is smart as fuck. I'm learning. Cause she didn't have to do this shit with me.
You just broke down.
No, I didn't. I wasn't sneaky.
Really?
She's been on a tip lately.
Like getting that age, huh?
The only person she's been fucking with is Alana. Like the other day, she had hot Cheetos and I was eating some and I was like, the bottom of the bag. I said, can I have the rest of these? And she was like, no. And I was like, okay. My mom asked her to change a kid's diaper and she said no. And I just said no.
Girl,
She was on a fucking, yeah. Lately, she's just been angry. Are you cold?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, lately she's just been a brat. She's only been like talking to Alana.
You keep saying that. Is she ghosting you? You're hurt. That's like the third time.
I'm like, she's only talking to Alana.
I think trying to let it go. Keep bringing it up.
I'm not hurt.
It's probably because you're close to your mom.
I am. Yeah, she's
And
pairing
she
us
knows.
together.
I always be like, when I have kids, I'm never telling them no.
Yeah.
And then all I want to do is tell them no.
I would be like, why is my mom not gonna let me stay out past midnight? Nothing's gonna happen. Like, my mom would be like, exactly, so why do you need to be out? But like, I understand. Literally go home. I want to be home at 10 o'clock.
Mm-hmm. I'm just thinking about your kids out past 10. Hell no. You were home at 9:30. Have another Lucas.
Yeah. Yeah, back up. The powder be killing.
Is that what made you sneeze again?
Yes. See? Sometimes I want to sleep with him.
Girl.
Seriously.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
He just like knows what I like. My mom was like, why do you keep going back to him then? I said, because I like him.
And I don't think you like a lot of guys. I think you try to like guys.
I do.
And it just doesn't.
Yeah.
Why is she so smart?
He knows me very well.
I know, that kind of intrigues you.
He knows me very, very well.
These men.
I don't know why I can't stop going back to it. There's something that's going to keep me away from it. I
don't know what, but def not.
I just don't know. I don't know.
And you ain't trying to figure it out either, girl.
I mean, kind
of. No, you're not.
These strawberries look perfect.
Look at her. I hate her. Okay. You know, there's nothing to figure out. They've gone to the groomers recently.
Before Christmas.
They're like the perfect length right now.
I know, which one.
It's like the cutest.
The cutest, I know.
Who? Excuse me.
What?
We're cutting that out.
Oh, okay.
Coming back at me.
I'm not. I love it. I want a mini me. I want a baby. You know how bad I want a baby?
I know. You love babies. I know.
I
have
know
like
I have
the
a
next
long time.
6-7 years to figure it out. We want to be a young mom.
I feel like I do.
You do and you don't.
I feel like I do. I feel like I do want it. 26 will be the perfect age. But between now and 26, I'm not going to do that.
You need to be selfish as hell.
I guess in the meantime, I'll do that stuff since I don't have a baby. Like, that's how I fucking feel.
Yeah. Alright, you're gonna be a good mom.
I'm cool. My kids will probably have the sense that they're too good of a mom. Like, they're gonna feel like, oh, we can never leave her.
I know.
So I just need to, like, I know I'm gonna have to work on that as a parent. Gift giving is like my love language, and I'm gonna love the fuck out of my kids. So I know, like, if they ever say they want anything, I'm gonna do I already know. I'm gonna just do everything to get it for them, and there's a lot of things I learned in life by not being given those things. But, like, I would think in my head, like, oh, I had to get it for myself. Like, my parents couldn't have done this for me. But, like, I learned to do it for myself. Like, if I do that for my kids, they're gonna be terrible kids. They're gonna be wrong. So
you need to learn to step back.
I have to be cautious of that as well. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm already judging my parenting.
Like, before it's even a thought.
Mm-hmm. I love the goldfish container. It stayed the same. It's never changed. It's been like this since I can remember.
Pepperidge Farms.
I love the little babies.
They are little.
While I play my Sims.
I could never get into those games. I wish I could.
I wish I wasn't into them. But
I think that's so cool.
I'm just a little dork. Yeah, that's my little dorky pleasure. Mm-hmm. Like, other people, they're dorky. But other people's dorky pleasures are even cooler. Like, people are making anime cool. People have made, like, Pokemon cool. I mean, I've never thought those things weren't cool personally because I'm a dork at heart too. But you know what I'm saying? Like, they made it more... Like, I'm pretty sure more people watch anime now. Just because it be on Twitter and shit.
People like...
You know, like, yeah. So... The Sims is not one of them. But I low-key think I want to buy the real Sims.
Like, what do you mean?
I'd buy it and play it on my computer. Because I watched this video, BuzzFeed video of this girl playing The Sims. Like on her computer, The Sims 4. And like it's so interactive. Like the babies
Oh my god.
that come out in it, like
That
you
would
can
be
pick
the
a person.
first thing that you are looking for.
Yeah, that's the first thing I want to do in the game. No, literally. So the babies that come out in it, you can pick their personality, and they can be like angelic, they can be energetic, they can be clingy, they can be like just so cool.
Like you can choose how you want them to be.
Yeah. And there's like, and they act like it. They like potty themselves, they make a mess, they just like do their own thing. It's so crazy. I'm such a dork.
I love it.
Yes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching us kind of eat as much as we could.
And talk a little bit.
I know. We will see you guys next time. Oh, we went live and tried to ask for snack suggestions. Everybody was sucking. So,
Leave a comment or something.
yeah. Maybe next time we'll get more interaction and we can do like questions. We can do snack suggestions too. But anyway, thank you again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Happy New Year. Bye.
Adios.
Au revoir. Ciao. Shut that shit off.
And don't say shit to me.